love plants. I love what they do to reproduce and create more plants. They are organisms after all. There are people who dedicate their life to study plants. Plants cannot eat like we human beings do. They don't have such an advanced digestive system, and not even the mouth for that matter. They actually consume energy directly from the surroundings. So, what are we going to learn today? In today's video, we are going to study that how plants make their food. In between, I am going to ask some questions so that you can assess yourself. So do watch the video carefully. So let's start. See, this is how it happens. See, this thing is a plant here. Any plant needs three basic things. That is carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. Now, which part of the plant? Right. Like we have seen earlier, it's the root of the plant that helps extract water from deep under the soil, and also the roots transport this water along with some minerals down to the stem and the leaves and the rest of the parts of the plant. Now what about carbon dioxide? Well, carbon dioxide is nothing but a gas that is found in the air, right? Now the leaf of the plant, on its underside, it has little tiny pores that are actually called stomata. Now these stomata is where carbon dioxide from the air enters into the plant, right? Now I wonder where sunlight comes from. From the sun, of course. Now the leaves that we saw contain a chemical called chlorophyll. Now all the things, that is carbon dioxide, water and sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll do some magic chemistry and produces food, and actually they produce oxygen and sugars. Now remember the pores that we talk of. That's where the oxygen leaves the plant and gets into the air as well. And now the sugar that I said the leaves produce is what is stored in different parts of the plant as food. Fascinating, isn't it? That makes you think that it is so important for us to have plants around us. If there was no plants, then there wouldn't be any oxygen for us to breathe. So technically, we are only alive because of plants. The food that we eat and the air that we breathe, all we get from plants. And this process is called photosynthesis because it uses sunlight to produce food. Now QA time, that is the question answer round. So are you all excited? So be ready with your notebook and pencil. Write the answers of questions asked and then match with my answers. And give marks to yourself accordingly. So let's start. Leaves have pores called dash that allow exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. These are your options: veins, blades, nodes, stomata. Guess your answer and write it. Yes, the answer is stomata. Dash is the process by which green plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. Options are cooking, digestion, photosynthesis, respiration. And the right answer is photosynthesis. Next question is, during photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. Dash from soil and dash from air. Options are water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, stones. Write your answer. Let's smash the answer. The right answer is water from soil and carbon dioxide from air. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. They make dash for the plant. Your options are water, food, carbon dioxide, stones. Guess the answer, and the right answer is food. So leaves are called kitchen of the plant because they make food for the plants. That's why they are called as kitchen of the plant. Which of the following things plants need to make food? And your options are sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. So what are the things that plants need to make food? The things are, yes, think, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Stay home, stay safe.